Treat a dog's ear infection. Dogs can get ear infections just like us humans. They are just as painful. You will know if your dog has an ear infection with the following symptoms. There is yellow or black stuff coming from his ears. This is known as discharge. You can smell something really bad originating from his ears. His ear has somewhat of a swelling or inflammation going on. You notice that he constantly touches his ears or rubs it on anything, and when he does, he yelps or seems to be in pain. He shakes his head or tilts it, and he seems to be in a bad mood most of the time, and you know that something is bothering him. Your dog will not be able to cure the ear infection on his own. He will need your help. Here is what you can do to help treat the poor fellow. Take him to the vet. Make an appointment with your vet as soon as possible. Ear infections are not to be taken lightly. They are painful and can even get out of hand, resulting to possible ear damage and life-threatening illness. When you get to your vet, he will give a general examination. He will use an otoscope, which is an apparatus used to see the inside of the ear. He will most probably take a swab at the site of the infection, smear it onto a slide, stain it and examine it with a microscope. By doing this, your vet will be able to determine what kind of infection your dog has. Bacterial infection. If it is a bacterial infection, your vet will most likely have your dog take Otomax ear drops, Epi-Otic flush, an antibiotic like Cephalexin, and maybe a steroid like Temeral-P. Yeast infection. If your dog is diagnosed with yeast ear infection, then your vet will prescribe Epi-Otic flush and Temeral-P steroid, along with Mometamax ear drops. Take the holistic approach. Now, if you prefer to use natural remedies instead, here are a few remedies. White vinegar. This is commonly used. You can pick up a bottle at the grocers. You will first dilute the vinegar that you're going to use. The measurement will be half and half. Use a squeeze bottle and gently fill up your pet's ear with it. Allow it to stay there. While doing so, massage your dog's ear at the base. Wipe off any excess. Make this a regular routine. Vinegar brings back the natural environment of the ear. Ascorbic acid or vitamin C. This vitamin helps bring down the inflammation. Ask your vet for the proper dosage for your dog. Your dog may have diarrhea as an effect to drinking this. Oil. You can line his ear with olive oil or a mixture of herbal oil to stop mites from infesting his ear and to prevent the infection from becoming bigger. Your pet's ear infection will linger on for about 6 weeks max. You will have to clean his ears every day. If you're not sure how to go about it, ask your vet to teach you. No one wants his dog to suffer. By following these steps, your dog will be on the road to recovery.